Hello, and welcome to Carefree Byways, and thank you for your interest. My name is Val Sutter, and in this video, we will visit the painted rocks at the Army's National Training Center at Fort Irwin, California. Fort Irwin is in California's Mojave Desert, about 40 miles east of Barstow. In April of 1986, after completing the chaplain's basic course at Fort Monmouth, New Jersey, I was assigned to Fort Irwin as the chaplain for the 6th of the 31st Infantry Battalion, Op 4, which stands for Opposition Force. The mission of my unit was to replicate a Soviet infantry battalion and engage in mock battles with visiting Army units from all over the United States. One of the interesting features at Fort Irwin are the painted rocks, which are located just outside the main gate, which means you can go out and see them. So what are the painted rocks? Over the years, units that have trained at Fort Irwin would memorialize their visit by painting on a large rock their unit crest. As you will soon see, there are hundreds of rocks on the pile. In fact, some of you watching right now know exactly what I'm talking about and may even see your unit crests. In 1988, Chaplain Tom Bunnett, the post chaplain, had a rock painted in honor of the United States Army's Chaplain's Corps. In celebration of the new addition, the Chief of Chaplains, Major General Norris Einerson, came out from Washington, D.C. for the dedication. Sadly, that rock is now gone, or more likely painted over. So let's go and take a closer look at the painted rocks. I've included a lot of pictures so that if you or a friend trained at NTC, you might be able to identify your unit crest. If you do, please leave a comment or even a story about your experience.